Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning low power mode on or off on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Low power mode can come on automatically when your battery is low to make your battery last longer, but it diminishes some of the features of iOS. Here is how you can enable low power mode or disable it if it's turned on. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and open Battery from Settings. Here in the battery settings is the option for low power mode. You can enable or disable it here. It's also possible to enable or disable low power mode from your control center. But first you have to add the low power mode control to the list of features in your control center. To do that, go back to Settings and open up Control Center. Check if low power mode is in the list of active controls. If it's not, then add it. You can also reorder its position in the list. Now just swipe up to your control center and the low power mode on/off button will be there. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.